What if one single career decision could completely change the way you earn, save, and grow money for the rest of your life? Most people spend years studying, working, and struggling financially without ever realizing that the problem is not hard work, but choosing the wrong career direction. When people hear the word finance, they immediately think of boring accounting jobs. Bank counters or complicated numbers that only geniuses can understand. But the truth is, finance is one of the most powerful and flexible career paths in the world. It is the skill that controls businesses, builds wealth, moves stock markets, and even shapes entire economies. The people who truly understand finance are not just earning salaries, they are making decisions that create long-term financial freedom. And the scary part is, most people never learn how this world actually works. Finance is everywhere, whether you notice it or not. Every company you see, every startup that succeeds or fails, every government policy, and every investment opportunity is driven by financial decisions made behind the scenes. And schools and universities rarely explain how finance careers really work or how someone can enter this field step by step. Many people feel stuck thinking that finance is only for toppers, math experts, or people with strong connections. That belief alone stops thousands of talented individuals from even trying. In reality, finance is not about being a math genius. It is about understanding systems, managing risk, and making smarter decisions with money. In this video, we are going to break all those myths and give you a clear picture of what a finance career actually looks like in the real world. You will learn about the different paths within finance, from corporate jobs and banking to stock markets, fintech and ethical finance models that are growing rapidly around the world. We will talk honestly about income potential, required skills, and what employers really look for today. Most importantly, you will get a simple roadmap on how to start a finance career from zero, even if you have no background, no degree, or no experience. By the end of this video, you won't just feel motivated. We'll have clarity, direction, and a realistic plan to move forward with confidence. A finance career is often misunderstood because people only see the surface-level numbers, spreadsheets, and bank jobs. But in reality, finance is about decision-making, strategy, and control over money at every level of society. At its core, a finance career means managing money in a way that creates value, reduces risk, and enables growth. Whether it's a multinational company planning expansion, an investor deciding where to put capital, or a government managing its budget, finance professionals are behind those decisions. This is why finance careers exist in almost every industry and why they are rarely replaced. Money will always need to be managed, analyzed, and optimized. Unlike many careers that become outdated with technology, finance evolves with it. New tools may change how work is done, but the demand for people who understand money never disappears. That's what makes finance one of the most stable and globally relevant career paths available today. When you look deeper, finance is not a single job, but an entire ecosystem of opportunities. Some people work with company finances, ensuring profitability and sustainability. Others focus on investments, helping individuals or institutions grow wealth. Some work in risk management, preventing financial losses before they happen. Then there are professionals who specialize in ethical and Islamic finance, building systems that align profit with moral responsibility. The beauty of a finance career is flexibility. You can work in corporations, banks, startups, governments, or even independently. You can choose stability or high risk, long-term planning or fast-paced trading. This variety allows people with different personalities and strengths to find a place where they fit naturally. One of the biggest advantages of finance careers is income potential. While entry-level salaries may start modestly, growth can be rapid for those who build strong skills. As experience increases, finance professionals often move into decision-making roles where their impact directly affects revenue and profits. This is why finance roles are often among the highest paid in organizations. But money is not the only reward. Finance teaches you how systems work, how value is created, and how to think long-term. These skills stay with you for life and influence your personal financial decisions as well. In many ways, a finance career doesn't just pay you, it changes how you think. Now let's talk about the different directions you can take within finance, because this is where clarity really begins. Accounting and auditing focus on tracking money accurately and ensuring compliance with laws and standards. These roles are essential for businesses to function properly and are known for stability and global demand. Banking and investment banking deal with lending, capital raising, and large financial deals. OFTEN involving high pressure, but also high rewards. Financial analysts work with data, helping companies and investors make informed decisions based on trends and performance. Corporate finance professionals manage budgets, investments, and long-term planning within companies, playing a key role in growth strategies. Then there is the stock market and trading, which attracts people who are comfortable with risk and fast decision-making. While it offers high earning potential, it also requires discipline and emotional control. Fintech and digital finance represent the future, combining finance with technology to create apps, platforms, and automated systems that change how people interact with money. And for those interested in values-driven work, Islamic finance and ethical banking offer careers that balance profitability with fairness and social responsibility. Each of these paths requires different skills, lifestyles, and mindsets, which is why understanding them early is so important. Regardless of the path you choose, skills are the real currency in finance. Hard skills like Excel, financial analysis, accounting principles, and data interpretation form the foundation. These skills allow you to understand numbers, spot patterns, and communicate insights clearly. Soft skills are just as important. Finance professionals must explain complex ideas in simple terms, make decisions under pressure, and manage risk without emotion. Critical thinking, communication, and adaptability often matter more than technical knowledge alone. This is where many people are surprised. Finance is not just about math, it's about judgment. Education can help, but it is not the only way in. Degrees like BBA, B.com, MBA, ACCA, and CFA are valuable, but they are tools, not guarantees. Many successful finance professionals build their careers through self-learning, online courses, and practical experience. Employers increasingly care about what you can do, not just what you studied. If you can analyze data, solve problems, and show real-world understanding, you become valuable. This shift has opened doors for people from non-finance backgrounds to enter the field successfully. If you are a beginner, the most important thing is direction. Start by choosing one area of finance instead of trying to learn everything at once. Learn the basics from free resources, practice with real examples, and gradually build confidence. Create a strong resume and online presence that shows your skills, not just your education. Look for internships, entry-level roles, or even freelance opportunities to gain experience. Progress in finance comes from consistency, not shortcuts. Those who commit to learning and improving steadily often outperform those who rely only on degrees. A finance career is not an overnight success story, but it is a long-term investment that compounds over time, just like money itself. The earlier you start building skills, the more options you create for your future. Whether your goal is high income, stability, independence, or impact, finance offers a path. The key is to stop seeing finance as something intimidating and start seeing it as a learnable skill. Once you do that, you don't just choose a career, you choose control over your financial future. At the end of the day, choosing a finance career is not just about picking a job. It's about choosing how you want to interact with money for the rest of your life. Finance gives you clarity in a world where most people live in confusion about income, savings, debt, and investments. It teaches you how decisions today shape outcomes tomorrow, both professionally and personally. You don't need to be born smart, rich, or connected to succeed in finance. What you need is curiosity, discipline, and the willingness to learn step by step. Every expert in this field once started with zero knowledge, just like you. The most important thing to remember is that finance rewards long-term thinking. Small skills learned today can turn into powerful opportunities in the future. Even if you start slow, consistency will compound over time. Don't wait for the perfect degree, the perfect job, or the perfect moment. The best time to start learning finance was years ago. The second best time is right now. Pick one path, start learning, and give yourself permission to grow. If this video helped you understand finance careers more clearly, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone who feels confused about their career. Let me know in the comments which finance career excites you the most, and what kind of content you want to see next. Your journey in finance doesn't begin with a job offer, it begins with a decision. And that decision starts today.